Like that. Okay. Good morning, guys. So today we're going to show you the shrine tracks. Go shrine! Go, go, go! So we are sightseeing the environment, guys. Is this safe or not? Or later they kick me the ball to my face? So he tried to run away because this is not the area he wanted to, because he always in the he always in the small cage there, and then he don't have time to walk around kay ang mga tao daray kay besi kaayo, farming besi and farming lakaw-lakaw. So I'm going to walk also. Ug muuli na lang sad ko, guys. Kay dagan sigig sunod-sunod diri. This one also is sunod-sunod also. B, don't want to what B? Don't want to walk if somebody go and look at him. So we have to wait for a while for when let's manok kung kano sa siya mulakaw, guys. We have to wait first kay naminaw pa na siya sa environment.
Can I feed him grass?
You should take the long grass. There, the long grass.
I take this one.
Small grass, no, going to bite you the one. Your fingers like matat siya. Then so what? So he started already walking around. So we're playing today with our friend. His name is Shrine. You far away first because he's scared. You far away first. A while he want to walk already. Then we started eating, guys. So we have to slowly do all here if you know scared. So nice one, guys. So nice one, right? Is he pretty? He's scared lagi,
Eat the
bi.
flowers.
Mahadlok siya. Di siya gusto ka ng kuan. Magkaon na pa mag-video kay murag kuan. Video for what? Oh, sorry. La, is pipip. I think is your what? With a friend, they didn't do breakfast. How? So magpadayon. What are you? So karon, guys, is mag-walk around me para sa amuang exercise. So So you want exercise, guys, you better do your stretch mark. If you don't do your stretchy, you are not exercising yourself. So better not. So, gikaon sa mi og sagboats. Some of the sagboats and some of the grasses. So, if
Gracias.
gracias. Gracias is thank you. So, if you don't have veggie, guy, you put him into the grass field. Is that the grass field? Kaya na field ang grass kaya is ba? Is the grass field? Duwa na chuk anak! So we're going to sweep the floor here. Wala na, nilakaw na mi guys. Bye-bye. Paalam. So, kaunin mo yung mga ano guys, mga basura ginagmay sa environment. Kaya ano, kaunon man na niya. Panay mga papil-papil, kaunon na niya. Kung ka ng mga plastic, tanan, iyahang kaunon guys. Sulod niya sa iyahang baba. Kaya di man siya kamao mo filter. And then, so karon guys, as we're waiting. Yeah, so karon guys, as we're going to wait for him to move. Going to wait for him to move. No, not yet. Did I know how to move, guys? Yes. I walked so far already. So magpakilid na lang na siya guys.
Can we feed me this?
The one anak, the one is what?
I eat one.
No, the one is poison. The one is what's the one?
I don't cut
Aloe vera. No, letter. What na mo suksok na jud siya maayo dra guys. Kasi dyan tayo magaling. Ang magtago na lang jud sa magtago na lang sa ating magtago na lang kasi lahat naman nakikialam sa buhay ng may buhay, kaya gusto mo na lang magtago sa forest or sa bukid para hindi ka na makita o mahanap ng mga chismosa mong kapitbahay.